I just saw the DPD van go past. Now I'm just waiting. 20 minutes. Now it said either 11 or 12. Now it went past the house. Like, you know, up that road. So I'm just waiting. Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. So, trying to lower the tripod to get down to this height. I just busted my finger on one of the legs closing it. Ah, that's bruising. These are some solid legs. So, my power supply came in a really weird looking box. It's all jagged, it's from Scan, which seems to be okay, but I don't know. Maybe this is just DPD's packaging, but it looks easy enough for me to just rip it open, but it looks quite close. We're gonna cut it open, but fucking hell it hurts. You see, yeah, you can. A floor unboxing this is now. So, I've waited 2 hours for this. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but Sam didn't open the door for the driver, so I had to wait a full day. Look here. This package, man, is weird, man. This package is weird. Why is it so, like... You can see all my junk. Oh, fucking hell. Really? 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 They packaged this up, like, really good. I mean, that is some strong plastic. Come on. Open up. Open up. Haha. Quiet. Really? They took this tiny box and put it in here. Woo! Oh, fucking hell, that's heavy. I'm trying to get this video out of the way now, just so I can render it. This is heavy. Right. So, I went ahead and I changed my mind. We got a Seasonic Focus GX 650 watt fully modular power supply, and it says it's got hybrid fan control. It's 80 plus gold. Let's check it out of the box. Let's take a look at it. I have the most jankiest setup going, but we got the fisheye on. So, windows shut, so I have any noises. I'm just gonna roast in here. Here's the power supply. Let's get this baby open. Yeah, it's probably the heaviest thing I've actually bought, PC wise, you know. So this is going to be kind of sketch because I am recording the weird angle. But the reason why I got a fisheye so you can see everything on my desk so far. Why not on the other desk? It's filled with PC parts and there's another desk in the way, so I can not get to it exactly. So that is off. So Manny uses a Seasonic power supply, and I'm gonna drop this over here so I can just stand around it and pretty much be balls against it. Manny has a Seasonic power supply. Why must I take this off? How close is it? See what I mean? Oh, see, that's really close. Look how much difference this does. Wow. So, Focus GX 650 watt. We have 80 plus gold. I went with 80 plus gold efficiency because the power supply I have right now, I think it's just bronze. Dang, look how deadly that is, man. That bloody hurts. That bloody hurt. So, flipping it over to the top here, we have... This will not be in focus. I will have to fix the lighting in a minute. I'm going to have to focus it because 60 FPS on this camera doesn't focus automatically. So, we have the safety model here, the dimensions. This is what I need to measure. And I wish I measured it properly because this power supply will fit. Hopefully in my case. If not, we might have to make some modifications. So we got maximum load, 20 amps, whatever this means. I actually don't know what all this means. So over here, motherboard cable, so PCIe, what was it, 124 pin. Then the lamps, so what was it, PCI, SATA, Molex, bippity boppity, pretty basic. Not basic. It says on the back here, once again, I gotta focus this in. And I gotta turn the shit down so you can actually see. Like, look how much different that looks. So it says right here, high efficiency, 80 plus gold certified. The Seasonic Focus GX 80 plus gold certified power supply is rated to achieve 90% efficiency at 50% load. So yes, and I kind of want to make the electric bill go down before my mum screams at me. The electric bill's so high, why? Ah. So, yeah, I kind of want to keep that low. So let's get it out of the box. Alright, third time's a charm. So, we open the box up. I'm in a better position now. And I can get the box open. I think, ooh. The box has been slightly damaged. That shouldn't be too bad, though. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Enter a chance to win a $50 Steam card. Well, $50 ain't too good for me. I don't use them. We have a power supply manual. We got the DC wheel manual here, static guide, you know, simple stuff. We got some more zip ties. I like, and it's got one of these Velcro ones, a Seasonic one. As I said, Seasonic ones, and I got some LTT ones, so Seasonic and LTT. Nice. Yeah. We have our, yes, it's a UK one, so we go. We have our power socket here. Then again, I can always just use the one that came with my other PC, but no, whatever. This one feels a lot more cheaper. Nevertheless, power there. We have ourselves, what is this? I'm not sure what that is. I think it's an adapter, I'm guessing? I'm not sure. We'll check the manual in a minute. We have some, some more goodies over here. Let's check out these here. Ah, they are all the cables. Now, I'm just going to go with stock cables for now. So, you know, stock, black sleeved. I think they're black sleeved. These black cables. Yeah. So to go with some basic cables for now. I'll get some nice cable mod cables at some point down the line to bring out, you know, more flavor. But it's kind of going for like an RGB stealthy build. So we've got the cables in here, nice. And now the power supply itself, which actually, yeah, that's small. I thought it was going to be the inside of this box, but it's not. This is actually pretty small. Damn. Now, the only power supply, other than this one I've held, is that shitty one from that PC I broke. Let's move the box out of the way for a second. Power supply, because I'll be crying if I did. We need to undo this. Sorry if this unboxing is kind of sketch. I am not in my normal seating, and there's wires behind me, and I can't sit down. Soon I'll have a new desk to do all my sitting down on, and here it is. Here is the beauty herself. Look at that. Seasonic. Oh, I already got smudges on it. Oh no. Oh no, I already have smudges on it. Oh no. I'm gonna fix that in post or whatever. So right now it looks pretty dark right here, but it's actually light on camera. So we have ourselves our fan here. We got Seasonic focus on here. We have the rating, AE gold. I like the gold here. We got our power, I think not power. We have our ports at here. Our CPU goes there. CPU PCIe. Purple IE, Molex, SATA, all goes by here. I've never seen a fully modular power supply before. And it says right here, we got our on and off switch. We have a hybrid mode here, whatever that is. But yeah, this is the Seasonic Focus GX 650 watt power supply. And Manny was like, "What do you need a new power supply for?" And it's like, what do you mean? It's like, just use your old one. My old one isn't fully modular. Plus, it's 850 watt. It'd be overkill. For, like, literally, it's weird. It's weird saying 850. So this is a 650. You know, 60% gold. I'm only getting smudges on it. I feel a lot better now. But yeah, Seasonic. Now, I'm going to go over some of the things about Seasonic. This one, I was going to go with Corsair, but I went with this one. It was £96. So for what it is, not too bad. So yeah, let's get back to the desktop. And I'll actually go over the perks of this power supply. That hybrid mode. So I never got around to doing that the exact same day, which was yesterday, because, I don't know, as soon as I got a power supply, my luck had went down the drain. So, this is heavy. The Focus GX650. Why I got this power supply? One, the price. Instead of it being £140, it was £96, other than that Corsair one. The 80+ gold rating. I want to try and save money on my power bill, or my mum's power bill, but whatever. the 650 watts. Manny told me why going to, like I said, my video what's going with my one I have right now. My one I have right now, it's 850 watts, which my system would probably only take about 500 watts, 600 watts. So, you know, the fully modular thing, so I can add more stuff down the line. And overall, it's a solid power supply. Seasonic has been well known in the PC industry for years, and I don't know. I like the look of it. I was looking online for like cheaper, what was it? Nice looking power supply, and this one is nice. This is a nice looking power supply. Plus, it's 80 plus gold certified, which is nice. It's good. It's good. And yeah, that is I was gonna go over like some of the stuff on the box. I didn't realize this. So it says here, high efficiency, 80 plus gold certified. The Seasonic Focus GX Plus is gold certified, rated to achieve 9% efficiency at 50% load. Which is good. I'm not really good at like knowing the power and stuff. So that's why in the video I said I'm a noob when it comes to volts and watts. On the power supply side of things, like with vaping, I'm pretty well known with that. But when it comes to like power supplies, I don't like to mess around with like when you look at all of the stats on here, it fries my brain. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this janky unboxing, because I did it on this desk and I did it over there. Ugh. Anyway, if you did like it, like the video. Comment down below anything, I don't know, anything at all, anything normal. And check out the other videos on the channel, which will be the RAM one. Check out the RAM one, and check out the graphics card one. And next will be the CPU and probably the storage at the exact same time, which I'm trying to, which if I calculate correctly, at the current price exchange, will be 300 and roughly £60. Slight problem. I don't get enough money to spend, so I'm gonna have to try and do something I do not know. And even if I do not upload, if I do miss, actually no, this is what we do is, I might have to buy my PC in July, which, speaking of July, it will be boiling hot, which I'm not happy. Luckily, I'll be actually quite fine, because right now with the system I have, I bake with the new GPU. The new GPU pumps out more heat than my RX 380. Not to make this a long video, it already is long, but hopefully that case's massive fans will help me. But yes, July will be the most likely point I build it, which is a while away. And yeah, which is mad. July, man. Probably the only good thing about this year would be my PC. But yeah, if not, I'll try and build it by June. I'm just not sure, because my mother's birthday's in June. I do want to buy her something, even though she's like stuff. I don't know. So yeah, I'll try and make some other videos to fill in the gap of this. I was making the PC thing like a monthly thing, but if I do miss one, it's not the end of the world. Either way, hope you like the video. Check out the other videos on the channel and subscribe if you like the video. Obviously, don't. I'm not one of those guys like, hey guys, before you watch this video, like and subscribe. It will help me out. No, I don't care. Whatever. Either way, see you guys next time.